I've made lots of precious plastic molds over the years, but one of the issues is that it's hard to put a recycling symbol in them like this unless you know for a fact that you're going to be using only the same type of plastic for this product. I have a solution. So what I have here is a normal soldering iron with a thermocouple here, and these wires run back to this little control box, and inside is just a PID controller, the same as what would be on any precious plastic style injection machines or industrial equipment. And then inside there's just a solid state relay and all the electronics to run it. And what you put in the tip of this soldering iron are these stainless steel tips with recycling logos. Now these are about 10 millimeters in diameter, well, exactly 10 millimeters in diameter, close enough. And the shaft here is 5 millimeters, a touch under 5 millimeters. Now, what it means is that for most soldering irons you can get around the world with the removable tips, these just drop right in. So we just put the tip in, attach the thermocouple so we get the temperature feedback, and we're ready to go. Now, once the device is up to temp, in this case 120 degrees Celsius, we can do some testing. So this is just a scrap piece. You can come in here and stamp it. Hold it for a couple seconds and pull it out. Now that looks, in my opinion, really bad. Let's try again. Yeah, there we go. Better. Better. Yeah, there we go. So I'll bring this over. It's probably going to flash because of the frame rate of the camera and the refresh rate of the screen, but that was at about 115 degrees. The more rapidly you use it, the more heat you're pulling out of it, and the lower it drops. So right now it's kicked back on. I'll bring this in a little bit here. It's kicked back on to bring it back up to temp. So playing with the temperature to find what works best for you and your timing and your plastic is obviously part of it, but it looks like this kind of 115 range with a slightly longer press is making a really nice consistent stamp. That looks great. So that was our first one at 120, a bit too melty. That was probably a bit too slow. And as we kind of practice a little bit, we get closer to a nice, recognizable recycling symbol. Clearly readable number 4 with the LDPE. Lovely.